done.
Hey guys.
Such.
Hey guys.
Is this the puff pastry one?
Yeah, this is puff pastry.
So we found a bunch of shit in our fridge,
Yeah.
and we're gonna put in puff pastries.
Yeah. We totally didn't go to Ralph's specifically to buy these.
I have a receipt. Wait.
No, you don't. You don't. We found them in my fridge.
Yeah. Fridge.
We're gonna be taking these toaster strudels that are currently thawing, and we are going to be putting fun things, such as pepperoni pizza. I mean not pepperoni, like hot packets.
Yes.
Toaster strudels, protein power bars.
We got 6-inch ham and American sub sandwich.
That's gonna be our grand finale. We're gonna blend an entire Lunchable in my blender, which is here. Thing. That poor bastard is about to just be seeing the inside of 17 different unique processed foods.
17 is a very low estimate.
I'm just like 17 foods. I don't know how many ingredients. This is probably like a fucking science kit in terms of the ingredients in there. We're doing Funyuns too. Pop this thing. If we can find any other random shit, we'll put it in there. We're gonna have also a time lapse of the of it thawing, of this thawing. Oh, just a quick disclaimer. Don't do any of this for the love of God. And if you do, please don't send us your
Disclaimer. Wait.
Disclaimer. I'm not gonna put it between your hands. I don't even know how to do it.
You have to
I did
text
it.
because
Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll send it to Katie and then she can do that. Another thing is you want to make sure your Lunchables is room temperature before you blend it.
Leave it up for at least a day.
Leave it a month. I'd say a month if you really want the flavors to develop.
No. There are too many preservatives in this. The ham has nitrates, so it wouldn't be the same. It doesn't bring out the full flavor.
Yeah. Oh. Somehow
You left it open.
Yeah. You want to leave the oven open
Way to fucking go.
to breathe a little bit. It's a classic chef's trick. Yo, I'm recording.
Veal meatballs.
Pizza. We're also putting a pizza in our thing now.
Okay.
Because I found it in the fridge.
Just like everything else, we did not go to the store.
Yeah, we did not go to the store a single time. It's all 100% organically, naturally grown.
In my freezer. Egg? Egg.
Oh, egg.
Egg.
We're also gonna put, do you wanna do fry? No, fry is pretty, are we gonna do it
No,
raw?
we're just gonna put an egg. Like, we're not even going to shell it. We're just gonna...
We should probably shell it. We're gonna ingest this. Should we put it in before or after the pastry is baked though? Like, should we eat it raw?
No, before.
Why? Something else kind of fun.
Ooh. What is this?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen?
So we're not putting sunscreen in the... You can eat the sunscreen if you'd like.
It'll be the first time.
So I was thinking we could start with, what should we start with? So, looks like the, our fun pastry sheets are just about thawed enough. So what you're simply gonna wanna do, take your puff pastry.
And scream!
You're gonna cut it into some equal portions. Some nice and equal portions.
Those aren't equal. That was the most...
You wanna make sure they're nice and even. We're starting with the protein bar. Make sure your pastries are open fully. Then stack them like this. Then set them to the side. Let them breathe a little bit. You're gonna wanna cut your protein bar into small squares.
What? Why would you do that?
And about half of it. The other half, you're gonna just fucking go for it.
That's pathetic. You're
So
pathetic.
now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the protein bar, kind of layer it a little bit. Maybe one like that, kind of like one Lincoln logs. You're gonna put the entire thing in the next row, and then just lean it over like that.
What the fuck? Are
And-
you okay?
And now we finished with our protein bar. Here you go. It's beautiful. Go ahead, and you're gonna want to we're gonna want to put this right onto this baking tray. What? Oh, we're gonna have to cover this with like oil or something, I imagine. So you're gonna want to take some vegetable oil. You want to put it on the baking tray.
Nobody cares. So I'm gonna take the other one, and I'm just gonna take a Funyun here. And, you know, don't care. Honestly, don't care. You know, should we do 2?
Yeah, just maybe crush up a couple, sprinkle them in there.
And just kind of like brick. Yeah, we'll do that. And then, you know, don't care. Don't care. Not caring about things is cool. Okay, so we're gonna, you know, don't care. Just gonna There we go. Same disgusting style that Liam did. Okay, we're doing a pizza. We're really doing a pizza. I thought that was okay.
Is it this one? Or are you just gonna stick it in?
How about okay, so we're gonna take this and then how about we just like
kind of tuck it in like it's a child.
Puffy. Actually, you know, I think we could cut off like a little bit on one side. Okay. No, not that much. Not that much. Okay, that's a little more reasonable. Good job. Not.
Make sure to
save
some. You get your you want to get your toaster strudel. Make sure it's nice and kind of roomish temperature. Let's look at this. This is perfect size. What we're gonna do is we have these white sauce packets, and we're gonna kind of no, it's fine because what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this binder. We're gonna kind of use this to kind of bind everything together. And we're gonna kind of just layer. It's like the cement. It's the. It's what keeps everything whole and together.
Yeah, it's an interesting family dynamic. Going on top.
Yeah. Wait, no. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it over.
We're not gonna.
Then we're gonna put another one on top of that. John, it's okay. Just take. Did you take your medication today?
Ooh, those aren't mine. Wait.
Just take them.
Okay. My mom said something about not taking other people's prescriptions. I don't really remember what it was about. So I'm gonna put some like pills or something in one of the puff pastries. Like if we have any scraps.
Like some Advil.
Yeah, any Advil. Where do you keep
some Advil PM. lean pastries. We are chefs.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We are chefs. We've kind of gotten everything all together a little bit.
Go. Now we're gonna have an Advil puff pastry. Everyone.
Okay.
We're gonna move this one to the side. About 3. Is 3 okay?
Let me make sure.
3's an okay number, right? I don't want to kill the guy. Well, kind of. I'll just feed this to my stepdad. Right. Alright. I mean, I love you, Terry.
So now we've got pastry sheet number 2 or whatever. I'm gonna make sure our Advil PM pastries not anywhere near children. Oh, we actually have a whole. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay. So we can do the pizza.
Well, you just lob it on. Yeah, that's good.
Kind of do this. Tuck it over a little bit. When you're doing this at home, wait for the puff pastry to thaw a little bit more, so it's more pliable. It's beautiful. You know, one thing we really want to stress in this show is that even if you're ugly as shit, you're still beautiful, probably on the inside. Unless you're like, I don't know, there's probably plenty of people who are actually ugly on the outside and ugly on the inside. If anybody knows someone who's ugly on the outside and on the inside,
show this video to them.
Show this video to them. Okay, and then we can do, we'll let this thaw, and we'll load all these here. Give me the pan. We're gonna kind of make sure these are nice and well placed.
PM.
So here we go. Here's our layout for the beginning. Our oven is hopefully at 400. I kind of just winged it at 400.
Maybe I have to carve something into my Advil PM. But we're just
not for consumption.
How about this? Just so nobody like acts. There you go.
I'm gonna throw this in the thing, and while we're doing that, we're gonna kind of set up our Lunchables
and egg.
So we'll be back in a second. I guess we're gonna kind of just put this in here for like a pretty just whatever amount of time, because I don't really know. All those things would require different times to bake, but this is a cooking show, so it'll probably be fine at the end. Let's go ahead and take a dissection. Dissect what the Lunchables box has in it, inside of it. So we have a water. We have water, which is gonna be our.
Oh my God, Lunchables unboxing!
It's gonna be our liquid.
Yeah.
We've got an Oreo. I think 1 or 2. That's 2. I can feel the 2 in there. We've got Pringles. That's gonna really complement the Oreo.
What is?
Ooh.
Is that just like?
At one point, I think this was some sort of living organism, but it's been processed
many years ago
into oblivion. Oh, we've got a packet of mayo, which is gonna also really. I think it's really gonna complement the Oreo as well. You got the really subtle, the fatty texture, with the nice creaminess of the Oreo, and you know.
Wait, hold on.
We've got a Kool-Aid single.
Wait a minute. Hold your horses. This is fat-free mayo. Is that even possible?
We've got an entire loaf of what looks like, I guess, Italian bread.
Oh yeah, fresh Italian bread, right from the bakery.
That is like
So I think we're gonna have to do.
My favorite
here,
types of crime.
Our best bet is probably to cut as much of this stuff into small pieces as we can. This is probably gonna. We're gonna need to kind of just kind of like, because the blender is not gonna have fun with the bread. Just cut the Oreos in half. I'm gonna get the blender thing over here. Okay, cutting. Okay, beautiful. So what we're gonna do? First we're gonna take the Oreos and just toss them in there.
I think we should put the bread at the very bottom because
The bread, the bread also.
Okay.
What we should probably do is I'm gonna empty the water in there also right now.
This is
Because that's gonna kind of like soak into the bread.
Oreo bread pudding.
Soften it up.
Okay, I think next we should put it in the Kool-Aid.
No. Now we're gonna.
No, can we just have 1 minute where this is like slightly edible?
You consider bread, water, and Kool-Aid.
Have you ever been into my house? Yes, you have.
Yes, I've been. Yeah, but it's not a fucking gulag. Like I don't know what the fuck.
You have no idea what it's like without my parents.
No, as a chef who's in culinary school, what we do is we taste things before we eat them. So I'm gonna take a little taste of this
No,
ham.
please don't. Oh.
Ooh, that's
been out for a day.
That's hardly edible as it is. So that's gonna be fun to ingest. No, you don't. No, we can powder. Those can just go straight in. We're gonna toss these in.
I want to destroy. I've had a rough childhood.
Now we're gonna finally. I think is that it? Is this the last part?
Do we really have to use the Pastry mayo?
We're gonna put the whole packet of mayo in there.
Really not respect yourself, Liam.
Have you met me? Of course I do.
Should we put an Advil PM just for?
Just so I can die peacefully.
Alright.
I can fade in. So, as you can all see, this is actually, we're gonna do this in one cut.
Advil PM?
I'm actually gonna take this and put this in a blender. No, we're not. Okay, fuck it, why not? We put an Advil PM in there. So, here we go. Putting this on the blender. This is what the beginning stages of regret feels like. Once I do this, there's no turning back. Once I turn this on, already there's no turning back. You can see the red mixture has seeped into the bread, very saturated, makes it nice and soft. The cheese is really giving texture to this whole thing. The mayo is gonna kind of bring out the natural flavors. So let's just go for it. Ready? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It kind of looks like acai. Now, what you want to do is you want to really blend this. Like, blend this as much as you can because any chunks that are in
Your
here.
face is not in. Here we go.
Okay,
All right.
So what you want to do is you want to blend this as much as you can, fellas, folks, because any chunks in there will make you vomit. I'm fairly certain. If it doesn't make me vomit already, then chunks will definitely do it. So we're just gonna continue.
Open the top really quickly.
I don't even want to smell that. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to smell.
Oh no.
This is.
Oh no. Oh no.
Try to smell.
I can't do it. I can't do it. 3, 2. Okay.
I have to eat that. Now that we've.
Not enough Advil
Okay. Now that we've got our liquid, we're gonna take a little bit. We're gonna go ahead. What we're gonna do is open this up. We're gonna go ahead and just pour.
Oh no! Oh god. No. Okay, so we're gonna start with that. Just gonna kind of. Okay. I remember in like 4th grade doing origami. That was like the height of my cultural.
We're just gonna go for it.
Oh no! Please. Oh no!
We're not gonna.
It's just dribbling.
Just a little bit.
Everywhere.
Okay. The rest of this is gonna go in a little storage container. By that I mean a fucking trash can.
Should I just like fold it over?
Just go for it. Yeah.
Okay. Wait. So wait. Don't. Gotta get more in the second layer.
I'm not. No. That's as much as I'm ingesting for health and safety reasons. The next thing we're gonna do, I guess we're just gonna take an egg and we're gonna go for it.
You just. What the? Liam! That was great.
Oh, it's kind of smooshing out.
Here, wait. Just squish it back in. Jesus Christ. Egg wash.
Yeah.
Okay, and then just.
It's not gonna.
Oh.
It's kind of
Just move it over. And then,
you know, we're gonna keep it open until the time comes that we should actually put it.
it's just.
It doesn't like being.
Oh no! It broke it! Oh no! How long did we leave this egg out for? Like at least probably like a day. Like a day and a half. I think it's a bad sign that my stomach is already hurting. And I haven't actually eaten the lunch. Probably just. Oh no! No! It's not. It can't be. Live. Please live.